जितनी अपनी फॉर्म कंप्लीट कर सकते हो सारे के सारे, when you stretch, go your hand, तो पूरा स्ट्रेच करो, आधा आधा मत करो, right? You may do it during practice to get the rhythm right. So first is rhythm. So if you are while stretching, sometimes what happens is कि आप जो दूसरे वाले ठप पे तुम्हारा वापस नहीं आते, because you take too much of time. A good dancer will come back quickly, but an average dancer may not be able to come back quickly, so वो rhythm नहीं पकड़ पाता. So rhythm पकड़ना सबसे पहले है, that is step number 1. Step number 2 is then improve your form. Accentuate every single move. So if you do this, then one is to do this with folded elbow. The other is to do this. The third is to have a form through your hand also. How your hands end up, that also creates the overall form of you. So when you are choreographing together, all these details should be done. So and जब सारे लोगों का हाथ वैसे जाएगा ना, practice होता है, it's very difficult, I understand that. Then you will start looking good on the stage. The other thing is choreography is too basic. Formations are too simple. It will, and stage is going to be large. So you will not be able to make an impact through your choreography with this kind of simple setup. So work on the choreography. So first is work on the choreography. Second is work on the expression. Third is to get your form right. All put together. Now what happens is, when you make the formations, it is very important that your best dancers who are completing the form, they are ahead. Because they are the ones who will complete all the khamiyas of the piche walas. Because they will be seen far more. So understand that part and do it. Energy जो है ना, वो energy नहीं है. And energy body से आती है. जब आप घूम रहे हो, घूमने के लिए energy नहीं है. घूमना is कि अच्छा okay 1 2 3 काम पूरा किया हो गया. You know, so घूमना is part of 1 2 3. It's not part of कि झूम रहे हो. So घूमना is झूमना. So झूमना यानी आप झूम रहे होते हो तो expression क्या होता है? वो expression ही नहीं है. So think in that detail. If you want to dance properly, you will see best coming out of you guys in that. Trust me, dance is about expression of happiness most of the time.